Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Smart View app not working issue on Samsung A37. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search smart things. Click on storage. If you want to fix this problem, click on clear cache and click on clear data. After the process, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so open quick settings panel, just swipe down and click on this power icon. Click on restart. Again click on restart. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so check your internet connection. Internet connection is work properly, and internet connection is not work properly. So move from your area and you will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app, scroll down and click on software update. Click on download and install and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Smart View app not working issue on Samsung A37. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.